How to create an OKX account. Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create or sign up for the OKX account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you want to do is find the OKX app on Google Play Store or App Store. And from here, you're just going to open the app. Now you will be landed on the page, so just wait for the loading screen to complete. And right away, you'll see two options to log in or sign up. So if you already have an account, you can directly log into your account, or if you don't have one, you can just tap on sign up like this. And once you do that, you'll first have to select a country of your residence. And once you do that, just tap on next. Tap on this checkbox and tap on next. And as you can see here, you will have to provide a ID of your region. So just tap on confirm. Here you'll just have to provide your email address, and if someone has referred this app, here you'll just have to provide your email address, and if someone has referred the app to you, you can use their email address as well. They'll get a small kickback from this. And then tap on sign up. Once you do so, your email, it will send you a verification link to your email, but first you'll have to verify this small captcha like this. Now just enter the email, the code that has been sent to your email. And once you tap on this, as you can see, I already have an account, so I'm just gonna log in, but you can just directly do that. And once you have done that, you will be able to log into your account. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.